it'll help the audience. We want to talk about large PLM implementations, like Julianne said, but to get a sense of what do we mean by large, right? When we talk about the system that you're managing today and what you've got all this experience in, can you just maybe give us a few parameters that give us a sense of what are we talking about when we're talking about large? Like how many people you might serve, the kind of team you have to do it, what kind of topics you have to cover. Can you just give us some of that?
Absolutely. So as you're aware, we support over several thousand users. And what's interesting about that is they're responsible for a diverse set of products, right? The company's large. So I find that introduces many different approaches to using PLM. And we'll get into that a little bit more later. The features that are deployed include change management. That's one of the most critical aspects of PLM, at least for BAE. We have preferred part algorithms that we've designed into the core set of Innovia applications. And we have interfaces to other systems such as ERP and data warehouses. So it's a pretty well-rounded implementation serving not only the users, but engagements with other enterprise systems. The team is relatively small. We have about 10 people. And
I like how you call that small, Bob. Everything's relative, right? Everything's about scale.
Right.
That's right.
Well, when you're supporting thousands of users and going through your 6th or 7th upgrade after quite a number of years.
It feels small, right?
Yeah, you've seen some things.